Hi, hello, welcome to RIDE.WEEKENDS. This video is for Taigun non-sunroof variant users who is looking for a sunglass holder. So in older cars we used to have a dedicated sunglass holder, but in this Taigun non-sunroof variant one, this is a dummy one. So this we can't remove, or there is no specific storage one. So usually if you want to store the sunglasses, you need to store in a armrest. Under our armrest there is a space, so you can store in here. So if you want dedicated for sunglasses, so there is one option where you can buy the sunglass holder from Skoda showroom. So you can ask in Skoda showroom for a Skoda Slavia sunglass holder, so which fits exactly here for the Taigun. So you can replace yourself where you can buy from showroom, and you can just place one of the card and you can just pull it out and this will be removed. So if you see here, so the one which you buy it from the Skoda showroom, it fits exactly here. So no extra bolts or screws required, no additional DIY required, just remove and play and plug. So it fits exactly here. So who is looking for a dedicated sunglass holder, you can just buy from Skoda showroom and you can just use it in a Taigun. So I'll place the photo here, how it looks after placing in Taigun. Thank you, bye.